In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to make your own yarn ball the old-fashioned way, without a yarn winder, without a cake maker. So let's get started. I put the skein of yarn in a bowl. It does not have to be on a bowl. Sometimes I just lay it on the floor and I just stand up and I just wind it up that way. So it's whatever you feel like doing. So take the yarn end with these fingers here. I'm going to pinch it and I'm just going to wrap it around these two fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to remove it and I'm going to pinch it, and then I'm going to wrap it just like this. Then I'm going to pinch it down and I'm going to wrap it, and every 3 or 4 times just rotate it. And you can do this really fast. I do normally, but I'm going to go slow so it's easier for you all to see. So I'm just wrapping and turning. I already have a little miniature ball. Now just keep slowly turning. Oops, sorry. Once it gets a little bit bigger, it gets a lot easier where you can move faster. See, nice little ball. I'll go a little bit slower. So just wrap it a few times, turn, wrap it a few more times, turn, wrap it a few more times, turn, wrap it a few more times, turn. Sometimes when you're in a hurry, this is a whole lot faster to do than setting up a yarn winder. You know, the cake makers, the yarn winders that make yarn cakes, which yarn cakes are nice and all, but those, take a little bit more time, especially when it's already in a skein. So I'll eventually, here soon, I'll do a video on how to make a yarn cake with a yarn winder, and you'll see it. It doesn't want to wind real fast when the yarn's all tight on the skein. So this is a whole lot faster method that I use a lot. I mostly do this. Every once in a while I might you know, use my yarn winder, but I like the old-fashioned way. It's fast, it's quick, it rolls perfectly on the floor, it rolls perfectly in a bowl. You know, when you make these, hold on, I'll show you another bowl I have. Let's see what I do with it. Oh, here it is. You can use any bowl. Like, as you see, this is just a plastic bowl. This little wooden bowl I got at the Goodwill for 50 cents. I thought it was a great buy. And at the time when I bought it, I wasn't even thinking, you know, to put the yarn ball in it. I just liked that it was wooden. I just liked the look of it. And eventually I thought, well, I need a bowl for my yarn. See, and you just, for the smaller balls, it works perfect. But you, like I said, you can use any bowl. I'm using a plastic one, so any bowl will work. And there's no right or wrong way on doing this. You can, you know, you can even turn it to the side and then work the opposite way like this. You know, it doesn't matter. It will roll and unravel perfectly on the floor or in a bowl. So also, oh, I need to show y'all another neat trick while I got y'all on here. Let me show y'all something. Let's see. Here's another neat trick. This is just a Walmart bag. Throw your yarn ball in it. Tie it up. And then look at that. It just rolls just like that. That's another neat trick that I use when I'm on the go, like if I'm in the car or if I'm just, because I take my yarn with me everywhere. I don't know about y'all, but that's what I do. I like to crochet everywhere I go, whether it's in the car, whether it's at the doctor's office, at a friend's house. It doesn't matter. I always take my yarn projects with me. But yeah, that's another neat little trick that you can do. Throw it in a bag and just tie it up. It unravels great with no problems. So as you see, it's a nice ball. See, and I'm just wrapping it a few times and turning. Wrapping it a few times and turning. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be flying right through it, just like I do. See, I can go the opposite way like this. And go any direction I want with it. You know, if you knit, same concept. You can do this for knitting also. It doesn't have to just be crochet. And there you go. I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate how well this rotates for you. See, I'll zoom in for you so you can see. So, you know, when you need more, you just kind of, let me show you. Don't even have to really tug hard. You just do just a slight little tug. And it just unravels great. That's why I always do it. I always, 90% of the time, I will always make a homemade yarn ball. See? It's just, I think my hand was in the way. This unravels nicely. No problems. I can just fly right through this. See? That's how great this technique is. That is one thing about these nice little yarn balls, is you can just fly right through your crochet. No problems. All right, last row. All right, so I just flew right through. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows easily. See, it just unravels so easily. See, so it's perfect. It's perfect to do. I hope that helped you all. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.